Hi, we're about to make requests using modal verbs. Notice when to use the simple form of a verb and when to use a gerund. Stay around for more explanation.
Requests with modals and would you mind. Modal plus simple form of verb.
Can you turn the stereo off?
Could you close the door, please?
Would you please take your garbage out?
Would you mind plus gerund.
Would you mind turning the stereo down?
Would you mind closing the door, please?
Would you mind not putting your garbage here?
When we talk about requests, it is okay to say, please turn the stereo off, to people we know well. We should use a more polite request, however, for neighbors and strangers. Modals become more formal and more polite from can to could to would. Notice the structure. Modal plus subject plus simple form of verb. Usually, we add the word please at the end of the request when using could, and we use please in the middle of the sentence to make a stronger emphasis on the request with would. However, please may be omitted. Now let's go over with would you mind. When we use the entire expression would you mind, the verb which follows must be a gerund. This is how it is formed. Would you mind plus gerund or verb plus ing plus complement. We want you to notice two things. The use of please at the very end of the request. Remember, you may or may not add it. And also notice a negative request. Would you mind plus not plus gerund or verb plus ing plus complement. Would you mind writing 3 unusual requests on our discussion box? I have one for you. Could you lend me your toothbrush? Go ahead and have fun.